Boom! Boom! All right, friends, welcome back again to an exciting day. Today, I am featuring a recipe that I came about by accident. I had all these leftovers and didn't know what to do with it, so I decided to put something together. So this is what I have. I have mushroom, bacon, mushroom, turmeric, rice. Okay, here are our ingredients. I have some sazon, Goya sazon to boost my the flavor. Here I have cut up mushrooms. I have triple peppers, red, green, and yellow. I have bacon, diced bacon. I have chopped onions, white pepper, chicken bouillon, some chopped garlic, all-purpose seasoning, the turmeric, and some green onions. And then rice. I've washed the rice, which we'll introduce later. So without further ado, let's go to the stove and start cooking. Yeah, we're gonna start here by browning the bacon. We'll put in the bacon first and allow it. We're gonna brown it, get it a little bit crispy. Yep, we're gonna allow it to brown. So I'm gonna continue browning off camera, and I'll be back when we get to the point where we have to take it out and proceed. So I'll be back. Yeah, we are back. Now, whenever a recipe calls for bacon, whether it's for soup, stew, casserole, you always have to brown it before you proceed. So now that we've browned it, we're going to take it out and go on with the next thing. So we'll take the bacon out of the pot right now. We'll get the bacon out of the pot. We browned it enough and reserve it. Smell it. That smell, the aroma of the bacon is amazing. The whole place is smelling real good. You may think we got some gourmet food cooking right now, but it's just the bacon. The scent, the smell of the bacon is overpowering. Man, that smells so good. So now, in the same pot, we're gonna put our onions in the same pot. We don't even need to put any oil. So yep, let's stir it for a little while. We want to just caramelize it a little bit. We just don't want to brown it. We just want to get a little bit cook it a little bit. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put our mushrooms. Put our mushrooms. But see, one thing about mushroom contain a lot of water. And in order to get some of the water out, you have to put some salt. Salt is the main thing that helps to get salt is the one that helps to get some of the mushrooms out of some water out of the mushrooms. Of course, you know, onions have some water as well. So we're gonna try and get some of the moisture out of the mushroom and the onions. So here we put about 1/4 teaspoon. And then we cook it. We want to just minimize the moisture content. We'll keep stirring it. stirring. Alright friends, welcome back. Now those that are returning to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and the new ones that are new to the channel, please subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I put out new recipes. I'm always putting out new recipes every week, so please help me help the channel to thrive, and share. Also, if you need any more recipes, go to bossdadkitchen.com for more videos and recipes. So meanwhile, we'll be cooking this for a while. So let it cook for a little while, and then we'll take it out. We're gonna put the vegetables before we take it out. So we'll be back. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and add the peppers. We'll add the peppers to the onion mushroom, and stir it. We're gonna cook it a little bit, not much, maybe about 2 minutes. All right, looking good. It is looking good. We'll put a little bit of green onions, the scallions at this time. That's about a tablespoon and a half. And we'll keep stirring. It's smelling real good. I guess the bacon grease is giving it some great aroma. It's smelling real good. So now we're gonna put our garlic. Put our garlic in it, and garlic shouldn't be in that long. Garlic is always something you put in your food, especially when you're going to introduce water. You put the garlic in just briefly because you don't want it to burn. Or, like I've said in my other videos, you can use garlic infused oil, which I have on another video. You can check it out, so you don't have to use chopped garlic all the time. Your oil will already be infused with garlic. Okay, so we're going to take it out and proceed. We'll be back. Okay, so now everything is taken out. In the same pot, this is one pot cooking process. In the same pot, we're gonna put some coconut oil, about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then we introduce our washed rice. This rice is washed. We washed it already. We'll let it soak. Sit and drain. We'll put the rice in there, and we are going to brown the rice. We're going to brown it. It's in the same pot, so you don't have to wash a whole lot of stuff. You cook everything in the same pot. The bacon, the vegetable, and mushrooms, everything. So we'll cook everything in here. We're going to allow it to brown a little bit before we put the rest of the ingredients, and we'll finish cooking. So we'll be back again. Yeah, friends, welcome back again. We've been browning the rice for about 5-6 minutes. So now we'll introduce our spices. There's the turmeric. Turmeric goes in white pepper, the all-purpose seasoning. Stir it to mix. Now when you do it like this, it also activates the flavor. As you are frying it, it helps to activate the flavor of the spices. Give you a good aroma. It is smelling real good in here. Smelling real good. Then we put in the chicken bouillon. stay together. Okay, so at this time, we also have a little black pepper. We'll put in a little bit of black pepper. And keep stirring. Oh man, all the flavors are infused in here, making this rice smell so good. The whole place is smelling real good. Then at this time, we'll put in our bacon. And then we're going to put in the water. We have about, the rice was three cups. So we put in 3 cups of water. So put in 3 cups of water. And then we stir it. So it's got all the seasoning and everything. So now the next thing to do is to put our mushroom vegetables and mix it up. All right, we're cooking on medium high right now, but we're gonna once it comes to a boil, we'll turn it down to medium. So this, you don't want a whole lot of water because you don't want your rice to be soggy. We put in 3 cups of rice, 3 cups of water, and so we'll let it go. Let me check for. You can check for for seasoning. Okay, that's good. We don't need anything. It's good to go. So now we'll cover it up. We'll cover it up and allow it to cook for about 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, I'll show you what to do next. Friends, welcome back. So now the rice has been cooking for about 15 minutes. And one trick that I use to prevent further water from seeping into my rice, you know, when you're cooking the rice, condensation or moisture built on the lid, and it will wind up going back into your rice to make it soggy. So this is something, secret that you can develop. Put a clean cloth over and cover it up. So the clean kitchen cloth will absorb the moisture and keep your rice fluffy and separated so it don't be soggy. All right, so 15 minutes. We'll turn off the stove and the heat and let it go for about another 10 minutes. We'll be back. All right, friends, welcome back. So now our rice is done. We're gonna take this, protect the cloth off, and the aroma, wow. Okay, so let's dish it. The aroma is amazing. All right, so now let's give it a taste test. Amazing. So good. Check it out. So beautiful. Tasty. Very tasty and flavorful. So again, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share, and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. Bon appetit. Ciao.